What's up, you guys? I know you're already tired of seeing this crocodile bag. Anywho, I decided to put together a tutorial for you because you had requested, so here it is. The materials and tools that I used for this project will all be listed in the description below, so you can refer to that as well. For this bag, I'm going to be doubling my strands because I want my bag to be thick and sturdy. You don't necessarily have to do that if you're using a thicker yarn. Now for the foundation chain, you will have to chain a multiple of 7 plus 5. I chained 35 plus 5, so that's a total of 40 chains. After chaining 40, you're going to skip the first 3 chains, which will count as your first double crochet, and into the 4th chain you're going to work 6 double crochet stitches. So in total you should have 7 double crochet in the same stitch to form the first corner of our bag. After completing the first corner of the bag, we're going to work 1 double crochet into each of the next 35 stitches. Once you get to the end, you will have 1 chain remaining. Now into that last chain, you're going to work 7 double crochet stitches to match the other side. Okay, our second corner of the bag is done. And now we're going to work 1 double crochet into each of the next 35 stitches on the other side of the chain. Once you get back around to the starting point, you're going to work a slip stitch into the top of the 3rd chain to close off the round. At the end of round 1, you should have a total of 84 double crochet stitches. After joining the round, remember where we worked 7 double crochets into the corners of our bag? Well, this time we're going to work 2 double crochets into each of those 7 stitches, starting with this first corner. For the first stitch, we're going to chain 3, and that will count as our first double crochet. After that, we're going to work 1 double crochet back into the same stitch where we made our chain 3. Remember, we are only working our increases in the corners of our bag. Our first increase is done. Now we're going to work 2 double crochets into each of the next 6 stitches. Okay, our first corner is done. Make sure that you have a total of 14 stitches. Now we're going to work 1 double crochet into each of the next 35 stitches. Okay, once you come around to the other corner, you're going to repeat what you did on the other side, which is 2 double crochets into each of the next 7 stitches. After working your 7 increases, you should have a total of 14 stitches. You can also count and double check to see if you have the correct number of stitches. Now for the next 35 stitches, you're going to work 1 double crochet into each of those stitches going down that row, and I'll meet you back at the start. Once you've made it back to the starting point, work a slip stitch into the top of the 3rd chain to close off that round. At the end of round 2, you should have a total of 98 stitches. Round 3 is quite simple. We will be working 1 double crochet into each and every stitch going all around, starting with a chain of 3, which will count as our first double crochet. Once you've made it back round, make a slip stitch into the top of the third chain to close up the round, and that would be the end of the base of our bag. In the next video, we will be learning how to crochet at the body of the bag, which is the crocodile stitch itself. If you have enjoyed this very short video tutorial, please leave a like and comment below, and also subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Thank you for watching. Bye.